Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you don't know, my name is Daniela. Today I have a very short video, but I know some people were curious, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my popcorn buckets. So if you would like to see all the popcorn buckets, it's not going to be a huge video because I only have a few. And a few cup mugs type things, but yeah, so it's gonna be a super quick video. I just wanted to show you guys my collection because I know some of you guys were curious. And if this is a lot, let me know in the comments down below if it's too much background for you guys. But yeah, so let's go ahead and just jump into the video. So first I'm going to start with this poison apple mug that I have, and yeah, it's just a poison apple mug. I know a lot of people love these. I got this on my last trip to Disneyland and it just opens up there. I did get this from, I have this alien popcorn bucket. I didn't get this one at Disneyland. I actually got this off eBay because I just really needed him. As you can see, I love Toy Story. You probably can't see the backpack, but yeah, so I had to get him. The green aliens and Forky, also Buzz, are like my favorites, so I did go ahead and pick him up on eBay. He actually was a very good deal. He was only like $10, so I was like, yes, because I saw, I think Disney was selling these at Disneyland a couple years ago, and yeah, I saw they brought him back this year, so, well, last year for Christmas, so I did have to pick him up. I was like, yes, they're gonna be coming out with more of him. He's $10, like, I'm gonna buy him, and I just cleaned the crap out of him. Like, I just scrubbed him, because, girl, when I got him, I didn't want to like really touch him. Not that I don't trust anyone, but it's just because of COVID and everything. And so I kind of put gloves on and it just had like a strong popcorn smell. And so I was like, I don't know if they washed it or they just sent it to me. But regardless, I don't know. It said it was new still, but it did smell like popcorn. So luckily I put gloves on. Like I said, I don't know if it was used or not, but I just scrubbed the crap out of it. So he just opens up with his little mouth, and yeah, you just put popcorn in it. And I just thought this was so cute, and I always wear every year plaid red and black pajamas, so I had like such cute ideas, like, oh my god, I'm gonna take a photo with my little pajamas with him. Like, I had such good ideas, but then yeah, it's just a lot happened. We moved in and it's just, I didn't have my setup yet. I didn't have anything set up, so I was just like, yeah, later. But maybe next year or this year in December I can take a little picture with him. But that is him. Their popcorn bucket is Oogie Boogie. I had to get him too. I saw him on sale. He was actually brand new. I know that for a fact, because he didn't smell like popcorn and it said new with tags. I also got him on eBay, but it was $14, and I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get him. I did still clean him. It did have he does light up, so it had like a little tag in here, or tab that I pulled, and he does work. But again, I just cleaned him just to be sure. And he has two sittings. One, his eyes blink, and then one, his eyes just stay still. But the popcorn goes back here. And I just loved him. I had to have him as well. And it just says The Nightmare Before Christmas, and it has his dice on it. So yeah, that's the strap. And the other one is just black and plaid, just like his little outfit. And next, this is Mike. They actually also have Sully here. They attach like this. I actually got these. This was kind of the start of my addiction. Not necessarily for Disney, because I've always loved Disney, but when I had a job, this is kind of where it all started, of me going crazy buying Disney. Got these two. Well, my sister, okay, here's the thing. Him I got So we actually went on a trip to Disneyland for our honeymoon. That's where I got him. It was Pixar Fest going on, and my sister actually was going to Disneyland at the same time as us. So we met up with them, we had a good time. It wasn't planned, like she was literally like, oh my god, you guys are going to Disney? Like, I'm going too. So I got him. He came with like a little slushie, or you could just get him by himself. But I did get, I think me and my husband got, it was like a grape slushie. It was actually really good. So we got him, and then his head comes off, and you put the straw in there and the slushie in here, or whatever you want to drink. I just have him displayed. But yeah, and then it just comes with like a little base, and I just thought he was so cute, and I love Monsters Inc., so I was like, I have to get him. And then I couldn't find the popcorn bucket, and I was so sad. He was just sold out everywhere. And also Woody's boot, it came with like a little ice cream float. Couldn't find the boot anywhere. They sold the float, but I was like, no, I want the boot. I couldn't get the boot either, but I think Disney did come out with the boot another time, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, I'm rambling. So my sister, after, I think it was a day after we left, like literally we had left that night after the second day at Disney, and then the next day my sister went to Disneyland, and she found the popcorn bucket, and I seen it on her Snapchat. I was like, girl, you better buy me a popcorn bucket. And she was like, no, this one's yours. And so I was like, oh my god, no way. So I literally screamed, because I was looking for this everywhere, and I love Sully. Like, Monsters Inc. is my favorite Pixar movie, but like Sully, he has my heart. So anyways, this is Sully, and the strap just has a bunch of doors, and it says Monsters Inc. And then his back here opens, and that's where the popcorn goes. But isn't he just so cute? Like, out of all the popcorn buckets, this was one that like I had to have. Like, literally had to have, or else I would have died. And this one I actually got on my last trip to Disneyland. I am a Magic Key holder. I know I haven't gone to Disneyland that much, but like I said, we were trying to save to move in to have a home, so I'm okay with that. But I did get this Magic Key popcorn bucket. These aren't really Disney, but I did get this at Universal. Also the same trip. It was for my birthday trip. So my husband took me to Universal and then Disneyland. So I love the Minions, so he went ahead and got me this. I kept seeing this all over Instagram, and I kept telling him, I love this, it's so cute. Like, he's in a little unicorn floaty. So he saw it when we were just walking by, actually to get on Secret Life of Pets, I believe. And he was like, and then he just like walked away, and I was like, where are you going? And then he was getting this. So yeah, and then the little popcorn goes in here. Well, you fill it up like this, but I just thought it was so cute that like the popcorn you can see in the floaty. So yeah, I just thought this was so cute. And then on the strap here, it just has all the Minions and a little beach theme. I just thought this was so cute. The bucket I have is this Minion one. Again, we got this, we went around September, so they kind of already had Halloween stuff out. So he also got me this one because he saw it right next to the other one, and he was like, oh, we're here, you know, like, might as well. And I was like, are you sure you don't have to? But he knows I love the Minions, so he was like, yeah, you can get it. And so it opens up here, and that's where the popcorn goes. And then on this side, it just has a bunch of Minions dressed up, and I just think it's so adorable. So yeah, there's the little popcorn bucket, and he has like a little trick-or-treat bucket. I just thought this was so cute. That is my popcorn bucket collection. If you want to see anything else in my collection, I don't mind showing you guys. If you ever see anything like on Instagram or my TikTok and you want to know more about it, just let me know. But yeah, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It makes me super happy when you guys do. It makes me know that you want more videos like this, or just more videos in general. So yeah, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss when I upload, because I upload randomly. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye, Bear Fam!
Dipped and nice. Got me dipped and nice. I'ma bring that light.